what's up? I'm Yuna and welcome to my Sweet Digs. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel, and if you have a VR headset like this Google Cardboard right here, hit the VR logo on the play bar to watch this in virtual reality. Okay, let's go. Hi. Welcome to my little apartment. I love my apartment and thank you so much for taking off your shoes. I have a no-shoe policy in my house. I'm originally from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I moved to LA about 8 years ago. I pay $2,000 a month and the location is perfect. It's not that noisy considering I'm in the middle of LA. When I'm writing my songs, that is where I'll be, on the piano, and I've had that from my first apartment. A friend gave it to me. Thanks, Niles. I was 19 when I wrote my first song, and Los Angeles seemed like the most perfect place to be. I'm a homebody, so I like to make my apartment as homey as possible. There's a lot of other spots in my apartment that I want to show you, so why don't we head on to my bedroom. Oh, hi! So before we get to the bedroom, this is my bathroom, and what I love about my bathroom is the tiles. They're in blush pink and black, and I love blush pink. It's my favorite color. And I also have a little plan action going on here. The green really sets the mood for me to be more creative. So yeah, let's move on to the bedroom. So welcome to my bedroom. This is also one of my favorite spots. I have some plants, I have some of my favorite things, like this. This is actually from home, from Malaysia. This is supposed to be an eyeliner, but there's no charcoal in here, so it's pretty cool, it's cute. I love kimonos, I collect them. And when I wear this, I look as if I'm floating on something, so that. The name of this dresser is Adam's Bachelor White Chest Dresser. My husband's name is Adam, and he's not a bachelor anymore, so we just got it because it was kind of funny. Over here is also one of my favorite spots in the room. I had a lot of makeup stuff and I didn't know how to store them, so I decided to get a few crates. I did this all by myself. Yay! What else? This is from my friend Ricky. She made this amazing. I kind of match it too right now. This is my husband's area. That's his perfume, his watches, his stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. I spend a lot of time here because I love food. I do a lot of cooking here. I do mostly Asian cuisine. Our friends got us pots and pans for our wedding. So now I'm a artist / housewife. They also got us the pressure cooker, but I do not know how to use it. If you guys have a pressure cooker, give me some tips on how to use mine. That would be great. Turn around and you'll see my little working area. Ta-da! This is my work area / my little home studio. Everything is very cute and cozy, and I have photos of my parents right here. I took these photos myself, and these were taken in Turkey. I really miss them. I'm the only child, so I'm really close to my parents, and I love having them or their photos here. So let's go back to the living room. I guess you could say this is my dream apartment, but I would love to have my own home studio one day, and I feel in the future I would love to invest in that and to, into a bigger space. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. I'm very driven, I'm very inspired, and this space that I'm living in really inspires me to make something beautiful every single day, and I think that's what's important. I guess you could say I grew up in this apartment. I grew into this person that I am today, and as an artist in this apartment, this is really special. My apartment says a lot about me and my character as a person. So now that you've seen my living room and in my kitchen, my bedroom, and my bathroom, you now, kind of like my best friend. So let me walk you to the door. All right, we have come to the end. Thank you so much for watching Sweet Digs on Refinery29. See you guys next time. Bye.